What's up guys, I'm Abogasa Alon. Today in this video we will learn how to create a Facebook event in from scratch. Before we start and learn, let's jump in. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you already subscribed then thanks you. So let's start. You all know event is an important of our life. We can doing event in online or offline. So when you create an event, you can create event in three steps. First, you can create event from your Facebook page or your Facebook group, or you can create an event normally. So I create event in normally from here. I create event. So you can see event. If you have joined an event, you can see there are some sectors categories. Event going. Going it means you are go to this event. Invitation. If anyone invite into an event, you can see invitation. Interest. You not want to going, but you interest this event. Hosting. Hosting means who is represent this event. Past event. Past event means you event this event yesterday or 1 week ago. This course. Your birthday become an event, and there have many categories in from events: classic, comedy, prep, dance, drinks, fitness and workouts, food, games, puzzle and play, gardening, health and medical, healthy living and self-care, and garden, music and audio, parties, professional networking, religions, shopping, social issues, sports, theater, TV and films, visual arts. There I have and thousands of different events in different category. Every category also have a subcategory. So so I create in so today will show you how you can create a new event. So I create new event. Click. There are two type events. First is online video chat with messenger rooms, broadcast with Facebook Live or an external link. So it means that you can doing event online or offline. If you doing event online, you can go to through Facebook Live or your messenger rooms or any others link, like you can use Zoom from your Facebook Live, and in other offline you can create it online and select a location and meet people in offline. So today I will show you how you can create an online event and meet in a specific location in with your favorite people. So I create this. So first you need to uh, give event details. Then host, who is create event, he become a host because he represent this event. So I am host, then I create. So my event name is beautiful nature because I love nature. Then you can select start date, which date you can want to represent this event. So I give this is 25 March because I need to many people event this, and start time. Then you can use start time in your country time. So my country start time is 10 a.m. So if you want to you invite in some people, then you can select privacy, or if you want to invite 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 people in in a long term event, so you can choose public. Public means anyone can join your event. Then I click next. Then you need to give a location where all people get held. So I want to select event in Mirpur 1 because it is Mirpur not only for 12 because it is my house beside, so it is easy for go to here and give more time my event. So you can see our UTC time +6. Next, you need to give some description. People know have an interest about what information deliver you are give in this in the event. So I write everyone love nature and traveling in the world, but but everyone cannot enjoy fully in the beautiful environment and nature. So this event we talk or discussion about how you can enjoy your natural traveling moment in your way, because you know and enjoying in your way or enjoying other way, the two difference is between more gap. If when you go any place and if you not enjoy this place, so that is a failure for you. So that important things we can discussion in this. So I select next, and you can upload a photo, a nature or environment which you know this historical place. So I upload this cover photo because this place I know where this is, and I also uh, going here. Then you published your event. So I published my event here, and I can see also it is published, and you can see the details. One person already responds an event by Kausalam, who is host the event. So you can see the location where everyone people mm, are going. So you can see details which value in provided in this event. So meet your host, which is host Kausar Alam. So you if you want to suggest a group to and group all people to doing for you can link a group. So link I can link this blogger group. um, Suppose this blogger group has 2000 or 3000 people. So when I share this in my group, then all people know where I go and what they can learn from is this. And discussion, you can uh, discussion with people. So I try write, hey, what's up, what is your opinion to going a natural environment live event where we discuss in how to your way you can enjoy your natural travel. Who comes up, please let me know in the comment. Basically here I asked people a question, is they come or they love to start an event. So I share this in a group, then I group natural. This group has more than 20,000 people. So how much group I share, how much people connect with me. So this is the most system. This is the most system. You can create any type of event. It can become your birthday or a comedy or dance class, fitness sport, or gaming, health, medical, any type of or shopping, any type of event you can create. So that it is a simple system how you can create an event. So I wish you can learn from this video. And if you find any helpful or and solution, please let me in the comment section. I always want to know here about from my subscribers. So subscribe and share this video for others. Use social media account because people on teach teach learn from this video. So guys, see you in the next